this anyway? Grandma sent me another video.
Chloe, honey, I'm going to teach you how to make proteins, okay?
They're not proteins, they're cupcakes.
They're proteins.
They're cupcakes.
Proteins.
Grandma thinks that her kitchen is a cell.
First, you gotta open your nucleus to get your nucleolus out.
That's a recipe book in a drawer.
Nucleolus and the nucleus are found in eukaryotic cells, and they store information. The nucleolus holds the information that's going to be replicated, and the nucleus holds the information.
Next step is to make your proteins on this lovely rough ER.
It's a countertop.
It's a rough ER.
The rough ER is found in eukaryotic cells, and it is used to synthesize proteins that are transported outside the cell and used outside the cell.
Next, you have to preheat the mitochondria,
Oven.
which gives energy to make the proteins.
Cupcakes.
The mitochondria is found in eukaryotic cells, and it's the powerhouse of the cell. It uses cellular respiration to make energy.
Honey, did you hear beep?
I think it was the coffee maker.
You mean the coffee that's in the chloroplast?
No, that's a coffee maker.
That's the coffee and that's the chloroplast. Will you get the cups out of the vacuole, please?
What's a vacuole?
The chloroplast is in plant cells, and it uses H2O and CO2 with like reactions to make energy for the cell, and the vacuoles store energy, store substances in the cell.
That's a cabinet. What in the dickens?
Someone say cabinet?
Chloe, this is my repairman, Stan. He's a really great friend of mine.
I know all about cabinets. They're just like vacuoles in a cell. Much like some other appliances that I've put in this here kitchen or cell, depending on which are the Mr. or Mrs. that you're talking to. This wall here, it's just like the cytoskeleton that's in all of the cells, the prokaryotes, the eukaryotes. They're in everything because it allows movement and transport everywhere. Just like these here walls and the air, everything in this kitchen. Now we'll go to the floor. The floor here, this nice floor that I put in myself, it's just like the centrioles. Centrioles, they anchor things, the spindle fibers and cell division of animal cells. But this floor, it anchors all of the lovely things we have in the kitchen. And now we go. I also installed these selectively permeable doors that act much like a cell membrane. See, a cell membrane in all of our different cells allow the transport of things in and out of the cell, along with some protection so that not anything can just pop on in here, much like these doors, which decide who's lucky enough to eat in this kitchen.
Chloe, honey, Grandmama wants you to remember the most important part about making proteins is to stop by the SCR. And you have to detoxify your dishes. Honey, can you put the letter away in the lysosome?
Lysosome?
Yes, honey.
Is this the lysosome?
The smoothie R is found in eukaryotic cells, and it has many functions. One is which to detoxify stuff in the cell and make lipids. The lysosomes are found in animal cells. Lysosomes have digestive enzymes in them to break down compounds in the cell.
And the last thing we're going to do is send you with this handy-dandy cupcake carrier to dress
Golgi apparatus.
up your cupcakes
Proteins.
outside of the kitchen.
Cell.
Kitchen.
Cell.
Kitchen.
Cell.
The Golgi body changes the appearance of the protein so it can be used outside the cell, can get outside the cell. And that's why a cell is like a kitchen.
Alright. Is this the one? Here we go. Keep pushing this higher. I've been living uptight, like a moth to the fire, like I'm losing this fight. From the day we're born, we are scarred and torn. We've been scared.
Go.
I also, wait, let me try.
It's a recipe.
I didn't look as good as
I think I had a testing mon.
First, shut up. Wait, no, but I'm gonna be.
No, don't touch my feet. I will beat you up. What?
They're gonna tell how long it took because it's gonna start getting dark.
Okay.
Right.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Oh my gosh.
We have to go over what we're saying.
Can I be